Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. We are starting a brand new series of pre-writing worksheets or pre-writing activities for kids in nursery, that is for age group 3 to 4 years old. I have already done some pre-writing worksheets or pre-writing activities for toddlers and for preschoolers. I'll be sure to link that down in the description box. And we start this series with correct letter formation using sand tracing. So we've decided to start our letter formation worksheets that focus only on uppercase letters, just to boost her confidence, and then to move on to other worksheets where she's learning how to write the lowercase alphabets and numbers too. So for this activity, on some white sheet of papers, I have written alphabets from A to Z in a slightly bigger font. This makes it easier for her to understand the instructions given to her to form the letters correctly. For example, I have told her to follow from the dot to the arrow. Always make the lines from the dot to the arrow. For this activity, you will also need a tray with some sand. If you do not have sand at home, you could also try this activity with salt or with some flour. Then I cut those sheets to make it in a shape of some flashcards. My daughter has been doing the same activity using different types of lines and shapes. For example, standing line, sleeping line, curvy line, or different types of shapes. Now that she has mastered those, we have gradually moved on to forming the correct alphabets. So for this activity, I have also asked her to trace on the paper first using her finger and then to trace on the sand tray. Tracing on the paper and repeating the same process in the sand tray helps the kids gain confidence in forming the letters with their hand as well as forming an imprint in their mind. Plus, sand gives the opportunity to experiment freely with no sense of failure. Reason to stress on forming the correct letter formation is when kids are learning to write, they're often taught to write letters in a certain way. This also prepares them when they go on to learn how to write in cursive letters, as the position of their pencil will be in the right position to join up with the next letter. My daughter loved the sensory play opportunity while tracing on the sand. It really is effective when kids use their senses in learning. I feel like it's an easier transition from finger tracing to pen when learning how to write. Please let us know in the comment section if you have any other suggestions, and stay tuned for part 2 of this series. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel. Have a great day. Stay safe and keep smiling.